my name is Paulus and today we're going to give you a heads up of this Audi RS6 Performance Vacuum Control Actuators installation. This upgrade allows you to increase your boost pressure easier, as due to higher back pressure at the top end, boost gain is restricted with standard actuators. So, let's begin!
Actuators replacement doesn't require any special tools, so it can be easily done in your garage or workshop. First, remove the engine cover. Then take off heat sleeves from the actuators. They can be mounted back on your new actuators, so make sure to remember how you took them off. Remove all screws that hold the actuator in place. Lift up actuator's arm clip and take off actuator completely. Now you can mount and tighten your new actuator screws. Adjust actuator's arm so it should have a small tension to the turbocharger wastegate flap in order to fully open actuator when needed. Both actuators must be adjusted identically. Push it in and make sure actuator is moving freely. Actuator's arm shouldn't touch any of surrounding parts. If needed, it can be slightly bent. Put on a clip which will prevent arm from falling off and tighten arm nuts. Time for the next one. Detach and move away pipes for better clearance and remove metal bracket. Unscrew actuator's bolts and remove actuator just like before. Mount your new actuator. Due to very limited space around, it might take some patience. Make sure every screw is tightened. Adjust actuator's arm as the first one. Put on a clip which will prevent arm from falling off and tighten arm nuts. In order to manage boost pressure changes correctly, ECU remap must be done after actuator's installation. Severe damage could be done otherwise.